Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm really excited to introduce to you a brand new product we've developed. It's called the Sherwood FabStand. If you do any robot, cobot, or manual welding, this stand is going to change the way you set up your parts. One of the biggest frustrations in welding is fixturing. You've got clamps, blocks, makeshift stands. All of it takes time, it's messy, and it's rarely repeatable. That's why we created the FabStand. Instead of wasting time building temporary supports, you can drop these stands right into your 5/8" fixture table or even bolt them to a positioner and you're ready to weld. Let's take a closer look at what makes the FabStand unique. First, it's available in different heights, like our 4.5" and our 8" models. Our pitch designs not only keep your fixtures clean by letting spatter roll off, but they also make it easier to load and unload parts from the fixture. A flat, non-pitched option is also available, ideal for check fixtures and precise setups. You can use a single stand for smaller fixtures or combine multiple stands to support larger, more complex setups. The base has 5 precision drilled holes, sized for 5/8" welding tables, with a center hole that allows the stand to rotate for easy fixture adjustments. It also has 8 1/4" holes for bolting the FabStand to a positioner or robot stand, giving you flexible mounting options from different angles. On the top, there are 4 5/16" holes for securely attaching your top fixture plate to the FabStand. The FabStand keeps your workpieces locked in place, perfectly positioned for programming or running your robot or cobot. All these features open a lot of flexibility in your fixture without having to buy a dozen different custom stands. What's the bottom line here? The FabStand saves you time and setup. It keeps your work cleaner and gives you way more versatility on the table. It's a tool built for fabricators who want to work smarter and not harder. Make it fast, make it functional, and make it easy. Check out our FabStands for your shop. I'll leave a link in the description. And if you got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear how you'd use this in your setup. Check out our website. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more welding tools and tips. Our next video will walk you through how to build a welding fixture using a FabStand. Don't miss it. Once again, I'm Charlie Dashner. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.